Well, once again, let's talk about LUNA Classic LUNC coin. LUNA actually destroyed 592,020,530 coins of LUNA Classic within the period of 7 days. That means that's an increase of about 38% compared to that of last week. Yes, LUNA Classic have burned more coins this week than they really burned the past 7 days. And for me, I believe that yes, LUNA is going to really rise. Now remember that LUNA Classic is a future coin right now, because if you are investing on LUNA Classic, don't bear in mind that you are going to make huge amount of profit from LUNA Classic within 1 or 2, 3 months. But for me, LUNA Classic is a future coin. It's a coin you can make huge profit after so many years. Yeah, that means within the next 2, 3, 4 years, that is when I believe that one that is holding LUNA Classic, and if LUNA keep on destroying, keep on burning more coins, we might end up making some profit. Remember, LUNA Classic is trading with about 3 to 4 zeros. So right now, it means we are just hoping for LUNA to destroy 1 zero, because destroy 1 zero means you might be earning about 700 to 1,000% of your profit of your investment, okay, on LUNA Classic. So let's assume LUNA Classic end up destroying about 2 zeros before the end of 2025 or 2026, 2027. That means we'll be earning over almost 10,000%. So this is going to be a good investment for someone to invest, even though it's $10. At the end of the day, you are earning about $800 to $1,000 after 3 to 4 years. Of course, it's a good investment, okay? Because that's a huge profit for me. So LUNA Classic destroying almost 600 million coins in a week. Though, remember that some few months ago, LUNA Classic has been burning about 1.5 billion coins, even 2 billion coins based on weekly. And right now, that level of burning have really gone down, and it will be difficult for LUNA Classic to burn 1 billion again in just a week, except from the end of the month or from the period Binance normally burn that LUNA Classic every month, okay? But I still believe that something can still happen, because LUNA still remains among the top 100 crypto coins, which means it still remains a good coins. Because for me, I always go for the top 100, yes, top 100 crypto coins on CoinMarketCap, and I believe that LUNA Classic remaining top 100 still shows that this coin is still good. It's still a good coin one can try to invest, even though it's a little amount of profit. Anything can happen. So let's watch and see how it goes for LUNA Classic. But LUNA actually destroyed almost 600 million coins in this week, and I believe more will be coming out in the next coming months. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Once again, thank you for stopping by.